You like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Who's going swimming?
Me.
Yay. Ayun guys, so we just packed Mimi's bag. She's got a towel here and then some spare clothes after her swimming. And of course we need diapers and some wipes and some water because it's really hot today. It's like 33 degrees. So yeah, and then we also got some floaties here. You got some Makuku diapers?
Yeah. Look, I'm wearing the same thing.
Yeah, are you excited?
Except the shoes.
Excited to go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same swimming center that I went for swimming lessons with my friends.
Oh wow, that was the school one,
Yeah.
right? Nice, nice. And so we still got a bunch of washing here to do from our trip. King's just folded these all up so that we
Dad,
can
Maybe
relax
I'll
a little.
See Emily.
Yeah, we don't know yet. We'll see who's gonna be there.
If
Okay,
Emily said I'm gonna say hi.
for sure.
'Cause
Ayun,
she
you
knows
ready?
me. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go.
I want to go there.
You wanna go there? We gotta look for the kids' pool though.
Right there.
This place is huge. You like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Hi mga Zooms! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! So today, as you can see, we are here in the pool. What do you want? Swim? Right now? Like, how? Okay, we'll bring the phone muna doon. Ayan guys, dito muna kami sa pool. So, summer na talaga dito sa Adelaide, kaya magsiswimming kami. Look at Andy. Wala kaming pang blow. Yay! Si Mimi so happy. Hi, Ebony! Oh, we'll go swim now.
It's blowing up.
I know.
Stay there on the side. Right, don't go up, babe.
Sit down lang, sit down.
See, it's too big. It's too big.
Mimi! Ayan guys, ang daming tao, no? Ang saya. Tapos meron pa siyang malaking ano doon. Slide. Dalawa actually. Dalawa yung slide nila. Ang ganda dito. We're just here eating. Oh, Saya, what are you eating? Ang laki na to. This is big. Mimi won't get out of that pool. So ito guys, napakalapit lang nito sa Loreto store kung saan kami nagde-deliver ng leche flan. Lagi namin itong nakikita pero first time namin pumunta. Dahil nga summer na ngayon, it's so packed. Pero okay naman, at least I can see the kids are enjoying. They're happy. And it's hot, so... Hi, Zyla! Come here! Mimi is calling me, doesn't want to get out of the pool. Bibili muna ako guys ng ng salvavida or floaties ni Mimi kasi nabili namin ng laki. Lumulusot siya. May nakita ako dito kanina pagpasok namin. So, I'll try to buy it. Masaya naman, no? Sarap talaga maging bata. Yay! Halika. Samahan niyo ako sa ba exit. So, ayan guys. Ayan guys, ang bibilin ko. Gusto sana namin ni Andy ito. Pero kasi, to 24 months lang. Parang hindi siya kasha. So, ayan na lang. Wait lang. Ang taasin ko abot. I got it. But the problem is, we need to pump it again manually. I need to blow it. Ay, nako. I will try. Ayun sila. So, ayan. Si Mimi, ayaw umahon pero buti na lang. Ayan na siya. Hi! Tapos na kami. Hindi, tinanggal niya na. Get up, baby. Mimi, sirap. Zyla, bumalik sa pool. Mimi is already done. Please na. Stay here. Mims, ano pa ginagawa mo, Mimi? You're gonna sleep? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Mimi wants to lie down sa towel. Ang ginagawa mo, Mims? Yan, ready to go na kami.
Take forever.
Dinadeflate na. Go! Wow! Na! Wow, galing Mimi. Zyla! Zyla! Hey! Tapos na kami mag-swimming, guys. Ready to go na. So hot. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a dinner after this. Ayan, hindi pa namin sure kung saan kami magdi-dinner, guys. Pero, ayan, we are just getting ready. Hindi pa nagde-deflate yung salpabida. Si Mimi, until now, hindi niya pa rin naaayos yung gusto niyang ayusin. Ha? Ano, Mimi? Gusto niya lang naman higaan yung towel. Eh, basa yan. So, ayan guys, nandito kami sa Marion Outdoor Pool. So, kung gusto ninyong mag-swimming dito, ayan, napakalaki niya. Meron siyang isa, dalawa, tatlong malaking pool. Mostly pang bata. Tapos may dalawang slide. Tapos may kanya. Mimi! Ano ba yan? Ayan, more on pambata siya. May dalawang slide. Tapos may mga tables and chairs. Yun nga lang, until 6 o'clock lang yung coffee shop. Just in case kailangan magdala na lang kayo ng food. Kami kasi hindi na kami nagdala. Kasi akala namin sandali lang kami. Okay naman. Ito sa good fun. Until 8 o'clock lang siya ng gabi. So at now it's 7:30 pero ang ginagawa mo, baby? May araw pa 7:30. You're sleeping? Oh, let's go na. Punta na kami sa car, guys. Maglit ako dito guys sa I Love Chips kasi orderin ko si Mimi ng chicken nuggets and fries. So nandito ako ngayon. Open sila ngayong summer until 9 p.m. dito sa Glenelg. So ayan, pakita natin yung mga pwede ninyong bilhin. So they have ice cream. Meron silang caramel, rainbow, chocolate, vanilla, mint chip, Snickers Zone, mango, and of course, the main menu. Squid wing, seafood, fish, chicken tenders, nuggets, and the cheesy fries. Yan. Meron din silang ice cream. Paubos na nga dahil sobrang init ngayon. I'm sure magre-refill. Ubos na din ang kanilang slushy. Ubos na. Meron din silang drinks. Diba? What's your flavor? Ako guys, nakita niyo naman. Si Mimi, Diyos ko. Sobrang love niya yung tubig, swimming. Parang ito lang yung full blast niya talaga na experience dito sa Australia. Kasi yung una sa Hilton sa Pilipinas. So doon medyo hindi siya nakakatakbo-takbo dahil doon medyo malalim. So nakaka-float-float siya tapos talagang binubuhat namin. Pero itong kanina, puro pang batang pool. So nakikita niya yung mga kabatch niya or mga babies din. Halos kasing edad niya. So talagang ayaw niyang umalis ng swimming pool. Umiyak siya talaga. Binuhat lang siya ni Andy. Talaga namang iyakan galore. Wala kaming mabribe, ayaw tumalab lahat. But anyways, gustong-gusto ko yun kasi alam ko na nag-enjoy yung anak ko kahit na umiyak siya. So ayan, sa mga taga-Adelaide po, kung gusto ninyong bisitahin yung lugar na yan, nasa Auckland Road po siya, katapat ng Loreto Grocery Store kung saan kami naglalagay ng leche flan. So maraming salamat guys, sana na-enjoy niyo yung aming vlog for today and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye!